Here's an old refrigerator compressor, and the question is how much power does it use? It sounds like that. Okay, now let's use a watt meter. Plug it in here. Unplug the power cord of the compressor. Plug in the watt meter. 0 watts. Plug in the compressor. Still 0 watts. Okay, now let's start it. The compressor is not loaded, the end is not inserted anywhere. How much power does it use? 250 watts, quite a lot. 230 is dropping, 220, 200, 100. Power it off. Power it on again. 190. Overloaded. So there is some back EMF type of thing here. Even the light is flickering a little bit. 900 watts. 900 watts at startup. That's not too nice. Okay, now let's connect this to the valve of the bike tire. Just thread it on, like so. 190, 200. Check the pressure. 190 watts. It is dropping, although the pressure in the tire is increasing. Still dropping. Okay, so around 180 was the last value. That was the pressure inside these long hoses. And once again, large consumption at startup, and it's lower than when it's compressing something. It was stabilized at around 180. Now without any load it's 160 and dropping. Now let's repeat it. I'm inflating another tire. 180 watts are being consumed. Now let's see if I cycle it on and off. It is still consuming a lot at startup when the hose is connected to the valve of the bike tire, so there is a load. Light is still flickering. 179. Now it's not showing a very high value, but the light inside this room is slightly dimming when the compressor starts. So with the load, the consumption seems to be somewhat lower at startup. 92. 600, so the consumption is still high at startup. And here we have the technical specifications of the fridge, from where that compressor is. Nominal power 142 watts.